Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn anatomy step by step. Begin by mastering foundational anatomical terms like anterior, posterior, and superior. Next, familiarize yourself with the major body systems, such as the skeletal and muscular systems, and their core functions. Use trusted resources like anatomy atlases and reputable online platforms to build a strong base. This initial phase is crucial for understanding more complex topics later on. Once you have the basics, dive into individual body systems. Dedicate your study to one system, like the cardiovascular system, before moving to the next. Explore the specific organs, tissues, and cellular structures that comprise it. Visual aids are incredibly helpful here. Utilize anatomical models, detailed diagrams, and even virtual dissection tools to see structures in 3 dimensions. This focused approach prevents overwhelm and deepens your understanding. To truly learn and retain anatomy, employ active study techniques. Instead of just rereading, actively recall information without looking at your notes. Incorporate spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals. Drawing and labeling anatomical structures yourself significantly boosts memory. Furthermore, collaborating in study groups allows you to discuss concepts, clarify doubts, and quiz one another, reinforcing your knowledge effectively. Finally, apply your anatomical knowledge to real-world contexts. Understand how each structure contributes to the body's overall physiological function. Regularly tackle practice questions and clinical case studies to test your comprehension and problem-solving skills. Consistent review of all previously learned material is essential for long-term retention. This continuous reinforcement ensures your understanding remains robust and ready for application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.